Leo, welcome to your reading. Let's see what we have for you today. How are my brave lions? Let's get a couple of shuffles here and pull a reading for you. Things are changing very, very quickly. Communication. I feel you've learnt all you can from a certain situation, and I'm picking up travel and moving on. On the work front, you could have been taking a course or something, completing that course, now you're ready to open and move on. Reuniting with somebody, reuniting with friends, relatives, your loved ones. On the romance level, the person you're dealing with could be in a third party situation. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you could be dealing with another fire sign. But I feel this is you. I feel the decisions in your court here. You've kind of got feelings for more than one person, and the decision is which one. I feel you've been doing a lot of introspecting here. You've kind of withdrawn into yourself. Things went quiet in the past. I'm picking up some kind of possessiveness here as well. Changing locations. Now, on the work front, this could be a decision between a present job and a new job. And what will it give you? But I'm picking up here a change of locations and cutting something out, making a decision. It's a decision that you've been considering. Yeah, there it pops. Trying to shut out the emotion and the intuition, relying on cold, hard logic. Yeah. You could be dealing with a water sign, some of you, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But there is some changes. And some of these changes will be outside your influence. But that wheel, it keeps churning. Now, whether on the love front or the career front, you have certain goals you want to achieve, and I'm picking up on the move. You know, you're looking for stability either way, whether this is on the work front or the love front. It could even be a decision between love and work for some of you. But there's a sudden ending here. Somebody here is having a tower moment. I feel this could be the person you're dealing with. How to proceed. This is a test of commitment. Now, perhaps it's them that's looking to relocate, but there's relocation here. Perhaps they were in a connection and they've ended it to be with you, or you're in a connection to end it to be with them. But there is an ending here and a shift. There's somebody here retracted to reconsider how they feel and do a lot of self-introspection. Yeah, I'm picking up codependency here as well. There's a definite opportunity here. Yeah, what are you wishing for? Say, be careful what it exactly is you wish for. It may come in the form that not how you want it to manifest. I feel you will get your wish, because that's a wish granted card, but as I say, it might not manifest in the form you want it to or expect. There is a major decision here, though. There's a life-changing decision. Love, loved ones. Yeah. Perhaps there's some very, very strong feeling for maybe more than one person here. And that's why it's so difficult. It's kind of a very emotional decision. There is something new coming in for you, though. Yeah, there's some conflict around you. I feel this person will come to you and it will kind of give you the victory, and it will put the ball in your court and make the decision yours, not theirs. Yeah, this person you've been dealing with in the past, they've kind of been watching you. I'm picking up some very, very tempting choices here as well. Yeah. Moving from one place to another, moving from one connection to another. Take it out, it resonates. But you're on the move. You're kind of undecided on what exactly it is you want at the moment. But I feel you will come to a point where you'll have to decide. Your back will come up the wall and you'll realise that you have to make a decision. This can't carry on. This is either you or the person you're dealing with, but I am picking up an ending, a new beginning here. Transformation. Yeah. Making a decision. Some of you could be dealing with a soulmate, but there is a decision in love here. Looking for a fresh start. You certainly don't want to repeat the cycles of the past. And again, on love or work front, it's a major decision on relocating for a new job. But either way, it's a complete fresh start as far as you're concerned. You don't want to get pulled back into repetitive cycles. But at the moment, you are sort of dancing to somebody else's tune, either on the love front or on the work front. You're kind of stuck at the moment until the opportunity does finally arrive, the chance. Two tens together, you see. Ending a new beginning, much happier period. There could be children involved in this as well. Happiness. This decision, I feel, is one person from the past, or you on the work front, you could even be returning to a place you worked at in the past. Afraid you're going to have to bite the bullet and make a decision no sooner or later. Somebody here is going to let go of something, cut it out, leave somebody in the cold. And on the work front, this bad patch you've been going through, I feel somebody will help you out. So either way, I feel it's something good coming in, but once you make this decision, it will be like a weight lifted off your shoulders, and then you'll be able to focus on yourself and what you want from the future. This pentacle here is this pentacle here. Building it day by day. You know, when you're dealing with people from the past, there could be some trust issues as well here. So it's kind of rebuilding, restructuring your life basically, and rebuilding the relationship if it's on the love front for you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.